Hello viewers, I'm Azam Ghani, the founder of International Intellectual Property Law Association. Welcome to today's global IP news. Number 1. German automobile giant BMW's new yoke steering wheel patent shows that the brand will be shifting to the yoke steering wheel game that has been a trend for a while in the automotive industry. The yoke steering wheel patent design of the BMW looks the most familiar compared to the other rivals reported by Jalopnik and Autoblog yesterday. Number 2. Decentralized finance DeFi startup Earnity has been accused of IP fraud in CRED bankruptcy. The CRED filed for bankruptcy in November 2020 with up to $500 million in liabilities. A new court filing says Earnity purposely hid its ties to the crypto lender. Number 3. Millions of doses of a new cheap coronavirus vaccine will soon be available in India. The new Corbevax inoculation, which was developed in Texas with decades-old technology and little support from the US government, received emergency use authorization last week from India's Drug Regulation Agency. The researchers of the vaccine said, "We don't own any intellectual property of the vaccine and it will be free from any patent." Number 4. Adjuvant Technologies Inc., a privately held clinical stage biopharmaceutical company developing next generation saponin adjuvants and vaccines for infectious disease and immuno-oncology, yesterday announced the United States Patent and Trademark Office has issued a new US patent to the company. The patent is directed to triterpene saponin analogs, which exhibits improved adjuvant activity and reduced toxicity. Number 5. The MITRE Harris Poll survey on innovation found US residents are broadly concerned about the nation's research and development and innovation trajectory, said in a report published yesterday. It also found widespread concern over the economic and security implications of R&D investment and remaining competitive with China in emerging technology. Number 6. General Motors filed to trademark DriveWare in Canada on the 3rd of January. The application was filed under the Goods and Services category with the Canadian Intellectual Property Office, reserved for computer software, cameras, ultrasonic sensors, global positioning system, and radar object detectors for the semi-autonomous driving of motor vehicles, reported by the GM Authority yesterday. Number 7. Recent news of a newly patented technology by Xiaomi points at a possible future advancement in under-display fingerprint scanners. The patent was recently awarded to the tech giant by the Chinese National Patent Database, and it describes an all-screen fingerprint reader. It might allow users to tap anywhere on the screen to authenticate their fingerprint. Number 8. FedEx Supply Chain Logistics and Electronics Inc. shouldn't get sanctions and attorney fees for fighting patent infringement counterclaims by Viking Technologies LLC in connection with the repair of glass display screens in mobile phones and tablet devices, a magistrate judge in Delaware ruled yesterday. Number 9. The Twitch streamer HasanAbi was faced with a copyright claim on his YouTube video in which he was seen reacting to Joe Rogan's content. The streamer confirmed that he was manually claimed for copyright infringement by Joe Rogan on his YouTube video that streamed on 6th of January. Number 10. Rapper Fat Joe and Remy Ma beat a copyright infringement lawsuit over the 2016 hit All the Way Up, according to a New York federal court opinion. Eric Elliott, who claimed to have co-authored the song, cannot sue the rappers, also known as Joseph Cartagena and Ramanis Mackey, because he signed away his rights on a piece of paper at the Miami IHOP restaurant. Judge Naomi Rice Bookworld wrote in an opinion on January 5 for the US District Court for the Southern District of New York. That's all for today. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel or follow us on LinkedIn or Facebook to get updates about our daily IP news. I'll be back again tomorrow with the latest IP industry news. Till then, take care.